rocket stove that we made, and this is, as you can see, this is made up of bricks, and the arrangement is very simple. There is an opening from here at the bottom, and that's for the air to go through, and from this side there's another opening down below through which you put your twigs or your fuel for the fire. And you have something like 6 layers of brick here. I have about 6 or 7 layers, and that's the chimney or the opening through which your fire comes out. And because it's very well protected, the fire has only one way to come up, that's from the top, and you have your air flowing through, so it's a good ventilating system. And you can cook something on this fire stove, rocket stove, as they call it.